Hello. In this video, we will be looking at using device links to change your CMYK settings on the output. A device link is part of the ICC process, and there are actually different types of device links, but we are only going to be looking at using device links edits in this video. Device link edits can be used for all sorts of CMYK adjustments, from darkening or lightening your print to changing things like saturation. In order to add device link edits into your workflow, you first need to turn on the Advanced Settings and Options. This is found in the Tools Options menu. Click on the checkbox to enable Advanced Settings and Options, and this will allow you to add device links to a queue settings. A device link can be added to the queue, but can also be added to an individual job. To start with, we will add a device link to a job to test the output setting before we make it permanent in the queue. Go to the Job Properties, and then in the Print Mode Overrides, go to the ICC Profile tab. Enable the Override Output Profile, then click on the down arrow. You can now select up to 4 device links. Click on the 3 dots at the end of the first device link. Select from Printer Profiles, and then go into the Device Links folder. You will then see a list of device links we supply as part of the software. The device link names give you a pretty good idea of what each one does. Lighter 20PC is lighter 20%, while darker 40PC is darker 40%. Saturation will increase the saturation. Max ink will reduce the max ink, a combination of a CMYK. CMYK 70% limits each individual channel, your cyan, magenta, yellow and black, to 70% in this case. And linear ink reduction 50% would reduce the ink, not just at 100%, but by all tints by a relative 50%. We will select darker 50% for this test. This is a view raw data of the original on the left and the same image with darker 30% on the right. If I view as black, you can see easier how the right-hand image uses more ink and will print darker. You won't see a difference in the preview, only in the actual print or in the view raw data. You can have multiple device links enabled, so you could also add a saturation increase as well. Up to 4 device links can be added to a job or a queue workflow. Once you have done some sample prints and worked out the device link sequence you want to use, you can set them up in the queue properties so that they will be applied to all new jobs. To set up the same sequence in the queue, go to the Queue Properties and go to the ICC Profile tab. Then simply set up the device links as you did in the Job Properties. Once completed, all subsequent jobs added to this queue will automatically inherit these settings and use these settings when printed. If you are using a queue with layers, then when you go to the ICC Profile tab, you will see a message saying Layers Enabled. So instead, go to the Layer Profile tab. Click on the layer that prints the CMYK and click Edit. You can now go to the ICC Profile tab and set up device links as already described. If you want to create your own device link edits, you can purchase the Device Link Edit module. But Device Link Edits also requires Photoshop or an equivalent application. You use Photoshop color adjustments features to configure the changes you want for the device link edits.